Number 16, we do some energy conversions. Carry out the following conversions. So A, B, C, D. 5 kilocalories to calories. So how many calories is 5 kilocalories? Now to do all of these, we need to know the useful energy conversion relationships. To go from kilocalories to calories, 1 kilocalorie is the same thing as 1,000 calories. So we can use this relationship right here to build the conversion factor. So starting with 5 kilocalories, 1 kilocalorie is the same as 1,000 calories. So the units cancel, and you're left with units of calories. And then 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. Check. B, we have 2560 calories to kilojoules. So starting with 2560 regular calories, to get to kilojoules, we first go from calories to joules and then from joules to kilojoules. So we can use these bottom two relations right here. So first go from calories to joules, the calories cancel, and then from joules to kilojoules. 1,000 joules is 1 kilojoule, and the joules cancel, and you're left with units of kilojoules. Doing the math, 2560 times 4.184 divided by 1,000, you get 10.71104, and this is a 3 sig fig measurement that we're starting with, so we keep 3 sig figs around 10.7 kilojoules. Part C, 1.22 kilojoules, and we're converting kilojoules to calories here. So we can use the bottom two relations, but we go backwards. We start with kilojoules, we turn it into joules, and then we go from joules to calories. So 2 steps again. We start with kilojoules. 1 kilojoule is 1,000 joules. The kilojoules cancel. And then 4.184 joules is a calorie. The joules cancel, and you're left with calories. Doing the math, you get 291.586998, probably more digits, and we round to 3 sig figs again. So this is going to round up this time to 292 calories. Finally, D, 4230 joules to kilocalories. So we go from joules to kilocalories now. Let's see. Well, we can go from joules to calories using this relation, joules to calories, and then from calories to kilocalories using the relation above. So these two relations, it'll be another 2-step conversion. So going from joules to calories first, starting with 4230 joules, 4.184 joules is a calorie, joules cancel, and then 1,000 calories is a kilocalorie, the calories cancel, you're left with kilocalories. And doing the math, you get 1.010994, etc. We keep 3 sig figs again, so this is around to 1.01 kilocalories.